Okay, amigos, today we are going to talk about prepositions, but not all the prepositions, only the prepositions that mean with and without. We already know that con means with. So if I ask for instance, un taco con guacamole y queso, I want a taco with guacamole and cheese. Sin means without. So if I ask for another taco sin guacamole y sin queso, I have no taste because I'm asking for a taco without guacamole or cheese. What a huge mistake. No doubt you have heard con and sin before. So let's just practice the little listening. Take a look at the examples I gave you. Los ejemplos. I want you to draw a heart around la hamburguesa con papas fritas. Draw a heart around la hamburguesa con papas fritas. And then I want you to draw a square around la hamburguesa sin papas fritas. So you totally drew a heart around the hamburger with the french fries con las papas fritas, and you drew a square around that poor sad hamburger without sin papas fritas. Pretty easy, huh? In your next box, you see two happy teachers. See, dos maestros. Well, one's happy. I want you to circle el maestro sin café. Está llorando porque no tiene café. Circle el maestro sin café. Then draw a star by el maestro con café. Está alegre porque tiene café. Draw a star by el maestro con café. Okay, at the bottom, two dogs. Un perro tiene zapatos. El otro perro no. Draw a circle around el perro con zapatos. And make a frowny face next to el perro sin zapatos. Porque no tiene zapatos. Okay, here we see the examples at the bottom. We're starting in the without column, so the sin column. Let's go ahead and write in the Spanish. Without me and without you are only kind of weird ones, so let's circle those. Without me is simply going to be sin mi. Acento sobre la I. Without you, sin ti. But the rest are going to be really, really normal. Without him is more like saying without he. Sin él. Without her, sin ella. And without us, sin nosotros. I'm betting you can figure out without them. Sin ellos. What do they all have in common? They all have that sin. That's it. You probably knew this already. Okay, let's be more positive and let's move on to the with column or the con column. You'll notice I got really crazy with the first two. I wrote my big squiggles around there, right? Because these are the only weird ones. More weird than in the sin column. So let's go over it. To say with me, I bet you're already predicting that it's going to start with con. Good prediction. But rather than just con mi, it becomes conmigo. Conmigo means with me. ¿Quieres ir conmigo? Do you want to go with me? You'd say, sí, quiero ir contigo, with you. Of course you want to come. But the rest are totally normal, just like with him, with her, same as without. But con él, con ella, con nosotros, con ellos. And that's it. You got it. Once you remember this extra special, we'll make it rainbow. That's how fancy we're going to be. Oh, we're not going to make it rainbow. Once you remember that conmigo and contigo, you got it all. So this is what I want you to do. Flip over your paper to the back, and I want you to answer the following question. I want to know, ¿con quién vas al cine? Who do you go to the movies with? I'm looking for, I go to the movies with, and then you're going to tell me with whom. Then, after you're done with that, I'm going to give you one more question, but pause it for a second. Okay, here is question number 2. ¿Con quién va al centro comercial tu amigo? Who does your amigo go to the mall with? I'm betting he goes with you. So that's what I'm looking for when I check this in. He goes to the mall with me. Okay, gracias amigos. Hasta luego.